Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make base-free Methi chicken from scratch. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. To begin, heat a pan on medium and add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once hot, add in 2 cracked green cardamom pods, 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf, 1 clove, a 1-inch piece of cassia bark or cinnamon stick, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Allow to fry for 60 seconds to infuse their flavours in the oil. Add in 1 large onion, around 250 grams. I slice half the onion into thin strips and other half into very fine pieces, as this helps create a good texture to the sauce. Stir through and allow to soften for a couple of minutes. Now tip in 1.5 tablespoons of tomato puree mixed with 4 tablespoons of water. Stir through and cook for about 30 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 chopped green chillies, 1 tablespoon of mixed powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon each of coriander powder, cumin and turmeric powder. You can add more chilli powder if you like your curries hotter. Mix in well and allow the spices to fry for a few minutes, adding a small amount of water if things look dry. If you ever have gritty or powdery curries, it's most likely that you're not cooking out your spices enough at this stage. If you're adding raw meat, it's time to add it in now. Coat in the sauce and allow to brown for a minute or two. Add in half of the heated up water, stir in and allow to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding the rest and stirring through. Now add in your choice of protein, around 8 pieces of either meat, veg, paneer or tofu, and coat in the sauce to stop it drying out. This dish works best with fresh methi leaves, but you can always use them in their dry form where they are most commonly known as fenugreek leaves or cassia methi. For fresh, simply take out 1 bunch of methi leaves and remove the leaves from the stem. I end up with around 20 grams of leaves per dish. Stir them in and allow them to wilt for a couple of minutes. If you're using dried kasuri methi, then you can add around 6 grams, that's approximately 2 tablespoons now. Add a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander, stir through and allow to reduce without stirring for a few more minutes. Finally, turn off the heat, allow to cool for a minute, and slowly incorporate 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Adding this too fast when hot may cause it to split, so be careful. I actually microwave mine for 10 to 20 seconds to warm it up slightly first. Please remember to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.